moment of my life actually. Even if you have not visited, please visit Badami Fort. And this is the glory of the Chalukya kingdom actually. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರಾಜವಾಡ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಇದು ಶಿವ ಟೆಂಪಲ್, ಫರ್ ಶಿವ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಜಿಪ್ಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 4 ದಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಮತ್ತು ದಿಸ್ ಟುಕ್ ಮೀ 2.5 hours ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. 2.5 hours ಕುಂತು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂತೀನಿ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ continuous, because there are a lot of camels used to walk there. So this picture I could take after 2.5 hours I can quote. And the very peculiarity of this, you can focus it, the peculiarity of this exhibition, I have named here exactly the monument name, then place where I took this image, and above all I written the characteristics about this image, and above all a take-home message. Every image is a take-home message, and you can read the take-home message, you will connect with the photographs. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Venkatesh Methan, orthopedic surgeon by profession and a passion photographer, and it's my great pleasure that our V Methan Creation Private Limited has exhibited 4 days exhibition at this popular Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad for consecutive 4 days. The theme for this photography exhibition is Connect with Nature. This is a COVID era, so everybody has come to know that importance of the nature, health, and whatever money we are earning for what. So considering this fact, we are taking this theme, that is Connect to Nature. If you go through these all images, I am very much proud to say that nearly 30% of the birds in India are seen in Karnataka. There are all monuments I displayed here, Pattatkal, let it be Pattatkal, Badami, or even Hampi, which is an excellent place for photography. I have displayed all the images here, specifically birds, animals, then monuments, historical monuments, as well as landscapes here. And the purpose of this exhibition is to create awareness about our Indian heritage, connect with the wildlife, connect with nature, for specifically for the school children as well as the young generation. And the one more purpose here is we should carry our 5,000 year civilization history of India to the next generation. So I humbly appeal you all that please visit this gallery at Chitrakala Parishad for coming 4 days from 10 AM to 7 PM. I am sure whenever, the moment you see any picture, you will get connect with the picture as well as connect with the nature. And my theme for life is, that is, enjoy life in present days and give your more time for yourself. And lastly, I can quote 2 lines, what I learned from the nature photography as well as a birding. I learned 2 things. We require very less to live. ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಜೀವನ ಕಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಏರಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 24 hours ಕಲ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಯು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲರಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ one image I took in 3 minutes, and one image it takes me 21 years to take that composition. That's why again I take this opportunity through this media and welcome you all for this gallery. Thank you very much.
Okay. Name?
I am Dr. Venkatesh Methan, an orthopedic surgeon from Sholapur, Maharashtra, but I am born at Raichur. ನನ್ನ ಮದರ್ ಟಂಗ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಇದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವಿಸಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಜೈನ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್. ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ 2nd month 4th Saturday Sunday ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಥೋಪೆಡಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಜನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.